So today I'm going to explain two words in a way that you can understand. These two words are an attribute and a variable. These two words are used to talk about different types of information. So we're going to go through each one of them with two examples. After I have explained these two words using these two examples, then I will summarize the difference between an attribute and a variable, and that will be the end of this session. So let's get to it with the first example. In this first example, let me imagine a big company with lots of people working there. So in this big company, each person has certain details about them. These details help us to know more about each person. Let's look at these two words now, the attribute and the variable. Let's talk about an attribute. Now think about one worker at a company. We want to know some things about this person, like their name, their age, their job, and their department. In other words, like which part of the company are they working in? Now these details are called attributes because they are different kinds of information we can know about a person. For example, age and department are two attributes we can know about a person. So an attribute is a type of information about something like age or job. Now let's talk about a variable. Let's think about one attribute like age. Now in a company, not everyone has the same age. Each person could have a different age. One might be 25 years old, another person might be 35 years old, and so on. Because age can be different for each person, we call it a variable. A variable is a kind of information that can change depending on the person or thing they are talking about. So in this example, age is a variable because it can be different for each person. Let's look at the second example. Let's look at products in a toy store. If you're looking at products in a toy store, now let's talk about an attribute in this context. Imagine a toy store that has different toys for sale. Each toy has details like color, size, and price. These details tell us more about each toy. These details are called attributes because they are types of information we know about each toy. For example, color and price are attributes for each toy. Attribute is just another way of saying type of information. Now let's talk about a variable. Now let's look at one of these attributes. Let's pick price. Not every toy is going to cost the same amount of money. Some toys might cost $10, others might cost $20 or even more. Because price can be different for each toy, we call it a variable. So in other words, a variable is a kind of information that can have different values depending on which toy you're looking at. So in this example, price is a variable because it can change from toy to toy. So if we are to put it all together, an attribute is the type of information like age, color, or price, and it tells you what kind of detail you're talking about, whereas variable is something that can change depending on who or what you're looking at. It's like the age that's different from each worker or the price that it's different for each toy. Now, it's very important that we understand what attributes and variables are because it helps us to organize information in statistics. So to crown this all, in statistics, a variable is a characteristic or property that can take on different values for different individuals or items within a data set. Variables can vary from one entity to another and can be measured or observed. For example, the variable could include age, height, and income. Variables are often categorized either as quantitative or qualitative. By quantitative here, we are talking about numerical values like age or weight, or when we talk about qualitative, we're talking about categories or labels like gender or color. That's it as far as variable is. So if you talk about an attribute in statistics, an attribute refers to a specific characteristic of property of an individual, item, or entity within a data set. It is often used to define the types of data being collected or analyzed, representing the kind of information present in a data set. Attributes are sometimes synonymous with variables, particularly when describing categorical data, but they generally denote the type of information being recorded, like color, department, or location. In essence, an attribute is the type of information being observed, while a variable is that information as it takes on different values across the data set.